Hey there, my name is Stephen Calix, and thanks for joining me here at Calix Solutions. This is my new channel, and I'm just going to tell you a little bit about it. So the videos that you're going to be seeing posted here from me are going to be DIY videos, car modification videos, plant and garden type how-to videos. Basically anything that I can get my hands dirty and doing, I love that kind of stuff. I like working on my car, and I have a Genesis. My wife has a Dodge Charger, so if you have a similar type of car, you might be interested in those videos. I love gardening, whether indoors or outdoors. So I'll have tips and tricks and things on what I've done, what I've tried, what I've failed at throughout the course of this channel. Also, I like doing woodworking. One project behind me that I'm going to be doing is building out this desk for my studio. I built a workbench, a lot of different things, and so I'm going to be posting videos like that. I also want to start doing videos on making art with my woodwork, focusing mainly on reclaimed wood art. I really enjoy that concept and how it looks, and again, anything to get my hands dirty, I love doing it. So that's going to be the main content on this channel. So if that sounds interesting to you, if you want to join us, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to be alerted on any other future posts. Go ahead and comment down below if you're excited to see what's coming next, and if you have any requests on videos that I should do, topics I should cover, go ahead and let me know. And again, thank you for coming to Calix Solutions. I'm Stephen Calix. Have a great one. See you in the next one. Bye.